Hi everyone. We're going to find the critical numbers for f and find the open interval where f is increasing or decreasing and apply the first derivative of test to identify all relative extremum, which is just your minimums and your maximums. So first take the derivative. Derivative of x is just 1, and the derivative of 2 sine of x is just 2 cosine of x. So we set this to 0, so we get 2 cosine of x equals -1, so cosine of x equals -1/2. That means my critical numbers are x equals 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. Alright, so those are the numbers we're going to use for our test intervals. Again, they are, let's just write them down this way. So x equals 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. And we're going from 0 to 2 pi. So we're going from 0 to 2 pi over 3. Oh, I'm getting tired. Okay. So this will be 2 pi over 3. And then we have 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi over 3. And then we have 4 pi over 3 to 2 pi. So 3 test intervals. And my derivative again was 1 plus 2 cosine of x. So when you plug in, say, a number between 0 and 2 pi, or an angle, let's say you plug in pi over 2, we plug in pi over 2, cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so we get 1. Well, 1's a positive number, so the sign of our derivative is positive. When I plug in a number between 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3 for, let's say, let's plug in pi, we're going to get 1 plus 2 times -1. So that's going to be negative. And then you can plug a number in here. So we could try 3 pi over 2. And that would be 0. So we'd get back to here. So cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0, so you get 1. So that's going to be positive. So this is going to be increasing, decreasing, and then back to increasing. So graph-wise, this would be from 0 to 2 pi over 3, it's increasing, then it's decreasing, then it's increasing. That means that at here, this is a maximum at 2 pi over 3 and a minimum at 4 pi over 3. So to find those points, we're going to use that. We have a max at 2 pi over 3, min at 4 pi over 3. So we're just going to plug those in our original equation. So we have f of x equals x plus 2 sine of x. And we're plugging in where we have a maximum at 2 pi over 3. So that equals 2 pi over 3 plus 2 sine of 2 pi over 3. And that's going to equal 2 pi over 3 plus 2 times sine of 2 pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2. And the 2's will cancel. So we just get 2 pi over 3 plus square root of 3. Alright, so if you want, you could put that in the, so 2 pi over 3, and if you want, you could put that in the calculator, just write it down. But that'd be approximately 3.826. And that's your maximum. Now we already know the minimum is at f of 4 pi over 3, which is going to equal 4 pi over 3 plus 2 times sine of 4 pi over 3, which equals 4 pi over 3 plus 2 times negative square root of 3 over 2. So on this one, I'm just going to leave it like that. So that's 4 pi over 3. 2's cancel. And we're going to get 4 pi over 3 minus square root of 3. And that's going to be your relative minimum. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.